Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the benefits of using Unix operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of using Unix operating system. There are numerous benefits of using a Unix operating system, which is known for its stability, security, and flexibility. Here are some of the key advantages. Number one, stability. Unix-based systems such as Linux and Mac OS are renowned for their stability. They are designed to handle heavy workloads and can run for long periods without requiring a restart. This stability makes Unix systems ideal for servers, critical infrastructure, and mission-critical applications. Number two, security. Unix systems have a strong security foundation. They incorporate robust security features such as user permissions, access controls, and file encryption. Additionally, Unix benefits from a large open source community that constantly reviews, enhances its security mechanisms, making it less prone to malware and other security threats. Number three, flexibility. Unix offers a high level of flexibility, enabling users to tailor the operating system to their specific needs. The command line interface or CLI provides powerful tools in scripting capabilities, allowing users to automate tasks, customize workflows, and efficiently manage system resources. This flexibility makes Unix systems highly adaptable across a wide range of applications and environments. Number four, compatibility. Unix-based systems adhere to open standards, facilitating compatibility in a broad range of software and hardware. Many programming languages and development frameworks and applications are designed to work seamlessly on Unix, ensuring a vast ecosystem of compatible software tools and libraries. We have number five, networking and server capabilities. Unix was originally designed as a multi-user network operating system. It excels in networking and server environments. Unix systems have excellent support for networking protocols, server configuration, and services such as web servers, email servers, database servers, and file servers. This makes Unix the preferred choice for hosting websites, running enterprise servers, and managing network infrastructure. Number six, community and support. Unix has a large and passionate community of developers, administrators, and users. This community contributes to the ongoing development, improvement, and support of Unix systems. As the result, there are abundant online resources, forums, and documentation available, making it easier to troubleshoot issues, find solutions, and learn from others. Number seven, scalability. Unix systems are highly scalable, allowing them to accommodate growing demands, whether it is adding more users, expanding storage capability, or increasing computational power. Unix systems can scale both vertically, adding more resources to a single machine, and horizontally, adding more machines to our network environment to handle increased workloads. And lastly, we have here cost effective. Unix-based operating systems such as Linux are open source, are typically available free of charge. This significantly reduces software licensing costs compared to proprietary operating systems. Additionally, Unix efficiency and scalability can help minimize hardware requirements and reduce operational costs in terms of maintenance and downtime. Overall, the benefits of using Unix operating system include stability, security, flexibility, compatibility, networking capabilities, a supportive community, scalability, and cost effectiveness. These advantages makes Unix a popular choice for a wide range of applications, from personal computing to enterprise level systems. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits of using Unix operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.